Hello!
1, 2, 3, 4.
We're Ben and Helen, yes, we're Ben and Helen. We're Ben and Helen, and here's our weekly vlog.
It's Monday evening, leaving work. It's not yet dark. It's very exciting. Traffic is bad, but not as bad as it has been. Weird day. Bad morning. Work sometimes. It's not the people I work with, and it's not necessarily the work I do. It's the people that the work I do puts me in contact with. Can be very demanding, and it can get very overwhelming at times, and I was having quite a bad morning. And then some people said some really lovely things on Facebook and cheered me right up. So Vivian, I love you. Also Nimue, I love you. Also anybody else who was nice and commented on that thread, I love you. So thank you. Life's weird, isn't it?
Good evening. Well, it's 8:30 max, I think. Helen's not feeling grand today, so she's gone to bed, so I'm going to stay up for a little while and play on Xbox. Tonight I'm playing Metal Gear Solid 4, The Phantom Pain, which I just started to play before the flood came, and I haven't played it since, so I thought I'd give it another go. Yeah.
The bus needs to get their brakes seen to, for sure. That's a good view on the way home.
Yeah.
Very, very good view. Ah, the blinding light! It's just possible I made too much dinner. Just possible.
So, just popped to Tesco's to pick up a few bits and pieces, food waste bags and stuff like that. And there is a stunning moon tonight, which I will just show to you now. The lights do hide it a bit, but that is the moon. Can't really zoom in at all. See if I can get a better picture from home. Having problems focusing, and again, it's not the best shot. But that is the moon, and trust me, it looks stunning.
At the weekend, I made cream cheese out of cashews, and it's actually not cheese at all. It's sort of cheese-adjacent hummus. It's tasty, though. And now I'm going to make sour cream out of cashews. I remain sceptical. Now this is not unimpressive. Apparently it gets chilled for an hour now, so we shall see. Excited. I'm just going to have a little smug moment here, because I have my cauliflower buffalo wings, I have my vegan sour cream with chives, and I found some sugar snap peas that were not great, so I basically flash fried them with some sea salt, and frankly, I'm excited by this dinner. Just realised I hadn't shown you what my hairdresser did. She did this. I fucking love it, as usual. Came in early to work to get work done. Am working. But because I haven't moved around for a while, all the lights have gone out. Fun. He's lovely. He's lovelier. Vegan burrito. Drinks. And Welsh rugby on the telly.
Straight into touch. Thank you. We'll have that.
A very happy husband. Although he's not having vegan food.
Well, another Six Nations game over, and we won. We being Wales. Should have won better in it, but we won. Currently, we're top of the table until we see the result of England-Ireland tomorrow. Come on, Ireland! Really, come on, Ireland!
washed my hair this morning. Possibly should have styled it before letting it dry. We're going to go for a walk. Not a long walk, because we're both hideously unfit. But a walk nonetheless. People driving fast.
Yeah.
Well, not so much fast, but having massive exhausts to make lots of noise, because that makes you really cool and awesome.
Not a dick at all.
Definitely not a dick. Frolicking through the trees, frolicking through the trees. That is a big lump of tree. Burrito again, because I'm obsessed. And I still had some refried beans.
It's Sunday, just.
Sunday just. Oh, it's nearly Monday, he
It's
means.
nearly midnight.
And we're going to sleep because we're going to work tomorrow. So we're ending the vlog here. Yes, we're ending the vlog here. Yes, we're ending the vlog here. Night night.
Night.